Hello, welcome back to another topic. So here we're gonna build a chatbot that will going to act like you are using a G radio and your AI tool, for example, OpenAI, Groq, or DeepSeek, and many more. So basically, let me tell you one thing and what actually G Radio is. G Radio is an open source Python library that allows developers to quickly build interactive web faces. So basically, these web interfaces mostly used in machine learning models, in certain APIs, or in any Python related function. So just it helps to simplify the process of creating uh, some demonstrations, that is demos, which has the access to share to someone, uh, and not only demos but also some applications, and also it enables the users to modify, alter the content. So basically it known as gradio, so we are going to use this. There is much more in this library to learn. You can also watch certain uh, tutorials which explain you what gradio is and how actually it works from the basic. So here we are going to start our program to build a chatbot. So let's do it. As usual, first of all, we are going to add our some files. Let's import it. Wow. First of all, I will select my kernel. Mm, Okay. Yeah. Mm. Here I have typed this statement in my terminal. If you do not have the my pdf 2 live module, so you can download it. Here I have downloaded it in front of you. Here it's downloading. Here it runs successfully. It takes almost 15 seconds. Now we are going to add another code. Here again it runs successfully. Now I'm going to add our new code. Here I will add a variable called a reader, and here man I will import my this, and here I will simply type me slash, and I will here going to type my one PDF. That would be, I will give it a name. Agentic AI is equal to, okay, for page and reader dot pages. Text is equal to if text agentic AI plus is equal to text. Let's run this. Okay, it's run successfully. Here I will going to print agentic AI. Okay, let's run this. So here you can see the output of my PDF agentic AI, and here it's worked very successfully. So here you can see, and you can do anything. You can put any PDF here. You have to just copy the path here and put this text and also some other text based on your prompt, and you simply have to print the variable name agentic AI in my case, and you can see the output. Now I will add my name using F statement here or in another summary or statement. Let's do that with open. Here I will going to add the code. Okay, name is equal to Darshan. Okay, again code system prompt F, using F. Let's say name, and I'm going to use more time. So let's copy this. Is an expiring data. Yeah, let's say this is my sentence. Okay, okay, let's run this. It's done successfully. Okay, here I will going to print the summary called system prompt. Run this, and here you can see the output. So basically, using this PDF version and the summarization, you can simply add the output using the library called PDF2, and you can do a lot of work. So this was for today. In the next video, we will going to see another practical programs. So till then, keep building, stay healthy. Thank you.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.